Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce and Salesforce products. Slack is a Salesforce product, so today we're going to be showing you how to mute notifications from a Slack channel. So I'm currently on the Slack channel I want to mute. Let's say there's lots of people in here and it's on a project that I only need to really check in on once a day or so, and so I don't need to have a lot of notifications coming through on them of the tiny little minute updates. Then come up here to my face and showing how many members are in this channel. Let's go ahead and go to settings. So now you can see I'm in the tutorials channel here. And then let's go ahead and change these notifications. There's a little bell icon. And now you can change it. So you can change it to mute the channel, to off, and only get the app mentions. So the scenario here is that, hey, I only need to check in on this like once a day or so, or when I get app mentioned. So I'm just going to change this into app mentions. So then like, hey, if there's a really important update, then I will get those. But if not, then it's not really going to be that big of a deal. So let's go ahead and exit out of here. And there you go. That's how you mute or change the permissions and how you change up the notifications for the Slack channel. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. You can check out the courses down below in the description box or on salesforceupskill.com. Thanks so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.